Hello everyone, I am Akanksha Das. I am from Cuttack, Odisha, currently pursuing my Masters of Business Administration from Ajay Bina Institute of Technology, Cuttack, Odisha. I will say that I am living my dream as in getting into Masters was always a part of my dream. Being a woman in the world of business is not a cakewalk, but I would like to thank National Commission of Women NCW for giving us the platform to showcase our ability and helping us in sharpening our ideas. NCW can help in many ways as being mentored by professionals, and learning from them would definitely expand my vision and sharpen my ideas. As we all are Indian, our culture gives utmost respect to the women. Women are the epitome of wealth and power. Women play an important role in society, and the whole family is dependent on women for its daily activities. They play the role of the mother, wife, sister, teacher, homemaker, cook, friend, nurse, all at the same time, while catering to everybody's needs. The women who are in a job have to also fulfill the job responsibilities and while managing home and family too. The life of a woman is very hard, but she gets little or no appreciation. There are a lot of women who are extremely talented and multitasker, but have no recognition in the society. Women entrepreneurship development is the instrument of women empowerment. Empowerment leads to self-fulfillment and the women become aware of what they are doing, where they are going and their status, existence, their positions in the society and rights of women becoming more empowered personally and economically through business ownership. So, my idea startup is based upon give freedom to women in the case of economy. To make it success, I would rather love to open a designer boutique. We must wondering why a boutique? Yes, a boutique. Because we are women of 21st century and we love to dress well. For this, I will be hiring both the women sections of our society. First is the rural area and second is from the urban area. I will be using the rural area women for stitching, knitting and all the small skill work which is needed for developing a designer piece of. And for this, those women who will be well trained, equipped by the urban area women who are already trained in this. Through this, we can omit the gap between rural area women and the urban area women. Moreover, I could easily involve the underprivileged women from the rural areas who will be helping me out in productions who are good in communication and the privileged women who will be helping me out in training session, advertisement through mass communications, multimedia, through various business of applications. This program will not give her employment but will also give equal right to the women in our society to earn their needs and also them to fulfill their needs and also their grow and fulfill their desires of life. They will no more have to dependent upon others to fulfill their dreams, and it will help them to fly like a free bird because there will be no more mistakes, only opportunities. So, by joining this course Empowering Women through Entrepreneurship program, I want to be the voice of those women who are multitasking and extremely talented and the responsible and hardworking too. Thank you.